Welcome to Be Still and Know with Adam. Today's video is going to be a video about my personal health journey and how I lost 30 pounds in 4 months and 5 inches off my waist. Okay, so the first thing that I did to lose weight was just start thinking about losing weight in a different way than I had before. So I thought in the past that losing weight was all about exercising a lot and eating less food and just being more active in general. I thought that extra fat was due to inactivity, which is not true. Activity has a lot to do with your weight, but it's not the only reason why people gain weight. There's a lot of complications in our body that happen when we eat certain foods or when we do certain activities. And so you have to really, if you're trying to lose fat off your body, you have to look at what is causing this fat in my body particularly, because everybody's different. So I don't know, I didn't go to a doctor, but I had been overweight my whole life. And I had lost weight in the past, but it had come back, very quickly. And so I was wondering, how can I lose weight and do it in a healthy way that I can keep it off and also change my lifestyle in the process so that I'm not just losing weight, but I'm also changing the habits that got me to become fat in the first place. And so I realized that my key triggers were eating food that's not healthy, okay, junk food, fast food, and then 2, it was eating late at night and not having a consistent sleep schedule. And so I wanted to help solve those things first, so I started with getting better foods into my diet. And so the first thing I started doing was celery juice. I started drinking celery juice every morning, and I still do. It's actually one of my favorite things to do every day is get up and make my celery juice. I know it seems like it's a hassle, but I actually have a video that you guys can check out where you can see how I make my celery juice. And even though it is a lot of work every morning, it's not a hassle because it's actually something that I look forward to. I know that when I make the celery juice that it's going to give my body a great benefit. So that's one thing I started doing, was just adding more healthy things into my diet. And I started with celery juice. And then I did a snowball thing where I started adding a different thing every week in order to start helping me gain and build healthy habits. So I started with the celery juice. Then I started with researching into my thyroid disorder, which is another thing that I deal with. I have hyperthyroidism, and so that means that my thyroid is overactive. And so I started looking into what foods are good for my thyroid disorder, and I found out that cruciferous vegetables can actually help with that a little bit. And so I eat a lot of broccoli and things like that. I started going more plant-based in my diet, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, artichokes, things like that. The really dark green vegetables. And I also added in a lot of fruit that I wasn't eating fruit. And then over time, if you're eating good stuff, then you have less desire to eat the bad stuff. And so I started cutting out, fast food and started making more home-cooked food. And then also I started taking a probiotic pill every day. So here I'm going to show you right now a picture of the morning vitamins that I take. Okay. The first thing I take is a multivitamin just to have the basic nutrients for my body. And then I also take an extra vitamin B because vitamin B is great for metabolism, and that has helped me a lot in losing weight. And then I take my turmeric pill, which is it's a great food actually, turmeric. It's a root, I think, and it's used in a lot of cooking in Asia and India in particular, but it's great for inflammation. And so I take it in the morning to help me with, to keep my joints and muscles not being sore and help me move around better. And then I also take a probiotic. And I have been taking different kinds, but the one that I like the best is this weight loss one that I got. And this one actually has green coffee bean in it as well, which is excellent. Coffee helps you as well boost your metabolism and lose a little weight. So that's what I take in the morning. And so those are my daily morning vitamins. And then here is my nightly vitamins, okay? And what I take at night is for immune system boosting. And so I take collagen pills, and I use collagen type 1, 2, and 3. for joint, bone, hair, skin, and nails, but also for gut health, because if you're someone that eats a lot of unhealthy food, you could have a leaky gut. A leaky gut is when you have food that gets stuck in your gut and undigested matter, and it just sits there and rots and ferments, and you don't get the digestion that you need, and sometimes it can cause a hole in your stomach lining because the acid is so strong in that section. And so what you can do for a leaky gut is to take collagen, because it actually helps to patch the gut lining. And so I've been taking collagen for that. And then I also take it just for my hair and nails, because my hair was thinning out due to my hyperthyroid disorder before I was taking medication for it. So I started taking the collagen for that. And then I also take my calcium, magnesium, zinc pill, because calcium, magnesium, and zinc are micronutrients that you really need in your body, especially for immune system health. The zinc, if you're feeling a little sick, if you take a zinc pill at night, I guarantee, and get a good night's rest, I guarantee you're going to feel a lot better. Zinc is really tied to our immune health, and so I take that at night, and I haven't really gotten sick for a long time since I started taking that. And the last thing that I take is my vitamin C pill, and that's just, again, for immune system boosting. So those are some vitamins that I take and some supplements that I take that have helped me to lose weight, on top of eating healthy, and then on top of changing my diet and getting the bad stuff out of my diet. I've done that. Another thing that I've been doing for my weight loss has actually been taking an apple cider vinegar tonic at night. And so what I do is, there's an apple cider vinegar tonic that's already pre-made at Sprouts, and it has apple cider vinegar with the mother of vinegar enzyme, which you need if you want to have that health benefit of apple cider vinegar. And then it has also ginger, turmeric, lemon, and honey in it. And those things also can contribute to your overall health, reducing inflammation and helping in a lot of different ways as well. Honey is an antifungal, antiviral. And so those are some things that I drink. Along with, I also add lemon juice, apple juice, and then more honey. I have extra honey I add to that. And then also I will add some cinnamon powder on top of that. So if you are interested in learning more about my apple cider vinegar drink, you could also check that out. I have a video dedicated to how I make that and my recipe. Okay, so I have 2 videos that you could check out if you'd like to learn more about celery juice or apple cider vinegar for weight loss. And then the last thing I would say that really contributes to my, or contributed to my weight loss, and is contributing still because I still want to lose some more weight, is I just got a different job that was more active. Instead of being at a desk all day or standing or sitting all day, I'm actually moving around. I'm doing a physical job. It's manual labor. So I'm not recommending that everybody quits their job and starts a manual labor job, though it could really help your health and your mental health, because those office jobs are really stressful on your mind mentally, being stuck in one place all day. But my job right now, I'm moving all day, and that's why I feel like I'm getting paid to go to the gym. I don't have a gym membership right now, but if I was working a different job, more sedentary job, I think it would be necessary to have the gym after work at least, because you need some movement, you need some energy burning, you need some elevation of your heart rate to help you get, your body to flush toxins, and for you to lose weight if you're trying to lose weight, and for your metabolism to work right. And so that's the main things that I've been doing, and I've lost a lot of weight. I just wanted to share that in a video for people that are looking for ways to lose weight healthily. I was trying to do it internally first before I was trying to, get healthy on the inside before my body started to show it, because I wasn't trying to lose weight for vanity anymore. I wanted to lose weight so that I could be healthy and feel good. I wanted to feel good. I was tired of feeling old and sick and tired and nauseous and gross and achy. I wanted to feel good, and that's exactly what I feel right now. It's great, and it's not just because I look good and mentally my self-esteem went up. It's because I actually feel internally energized. I have the nutrients in me that give me the feelings that I need to get me through my day in a positive way. So those are some things that I've done for weight loss. I hope that they can help you if you decide to do some of them yourself, but they definitely helped me, and I just wanted to share them with you. But remember, that it doesn't matter what you're going through with your health, because you can always choose to make it better. You have the power within you. So no matter what comes your way, it's going to be a great day. Thank you, and